Munia Maudo Bison, somewhere Yaki Kessian, pay your bunny at the Baba Sumo, Sompa television, Sunny, Otienka, or Boronia of Mantam Nemoa, some parent 8.9 for Mekutemo, a war, a year, Bono, any half Mantam Nemo, so Bono Eastia, Sompa, 90.7 for Mekutemo, and our Santimantam and Potamun in Asono, Wasuguso Uti Sompa, 93.1 FM, Abusia, and somewhere a dadan who ya Chiana, Jumunina, and I could see myself for a professional conconsa for Kessenia. Maybe I will be an pay, ye bani, the Ababa somewhere, and some of those so not postal, any. Kanem Raswe Genia no woman Raswe Gesima this year. Also Yana West Abaton Persius Ignatius Bafua in Siatre Boboko no ayene dia posi for kochire no enra aposi for edi beli amanua ne nkrofo bi susu e kan hom emra ho nsensem edi wonum yebekọ na de akwa akosi IGP anamontuo ene mfifimu a yekoso no yakwa akohwe de piepie mu epa yedem kom raspeje fie mu soso enra anadwode suom nyina na raspeje forntem raspeje fie ma no mo ye adwuma ne nyina ya soafo bi no mo a mampede jandramani mama abomudi amraspeje for no ye ho adwuma age wo matum ne no anadwo ekosi say you become raspeje fie na yakodi ho enkomo nkrapo mpene mantem osoafo a wora mantem ne mu ahyase aye adwuma ahyase etum pasa se beye na enkran krodua no ebefa ne ntuma papa efra ewa honodie hu nsensem weni afoforo pi ene akekese ene se kase ba bia wo bia na no pai ye ba ne ye dia ba besomo eye 21st clinic wo se ateke ntire no a etwetwe tutu no ese bra ne mfedru nkan na yade ne enwane ye nkosorosoro no enko soso no so bia ni yitu ase dokuduku de free pedue mu a ensa so emabiewo ye branches ne doso Ghana fa na nyina 21st clinic ubodra ho no mu a ye wonuro mfidie wo doctors ne nurses a wo mo abene yade no ne asietuo ene ne hwe nyina mu a ye kosorosoro no yare no ebedwane free ne pedue mu wo mo na ataye che no peya bia wo bia no yetimi abane aba besom wo medin ede na ya obo amale bia boga bia fa yenye brena fensam no yenkomo ankasa emfa emamo yedemo hyase ede free ball bom na abjan for ball bom a yedemo hyase free no eyamane mo sam de koso na no kwasiada emra Krobia Sante Kotokobo Boku no ene omunuanom ewo Nsuatre Nsuatre Football Club e de coffee so na nyina ye Ghana Premier League match ya na je so omo bobo ya na omo ekobo bako Nsuatre bonte so a ekowi ase mentemi wase course so e o park ne so a Kotokoni abrantie bako a kese titania boboku no wonto to na se na kese bebi on befa bia wodi akire bie nipa bonfo bi de sekan ekowura ne yam a ene memamra ma no so no na kese otono nanom ensie do basa no na kese akwakoyare hosem ya kansie ene agudie ne koso a kowie se da sani be hwene nkwa wo mu a na kese odwene ho a wonte ase na basa no mfifimu koso ma mfifimu ne mperifo do ma so toto fom no na kese opani aboboku ne ye ne dia de koso awudie ne koso no na owura no eho bom owura yi so ye kanemra se bedwani a na owomra se bedwafie ma de hye wo sunyane West Abaton Pesia so ya mampani na rudan kwa kufu ado amamu ya egu na anu ya na oye minister wom ehwe apadie ene adwuma ye ho nsensem honorable Ignatius Bafo awua ne ho asem ene ye ken ene empenimfo na anu dwada no ekoko mantam ne sebronya kokko a wodagya ho ede na ekogina amra no a aposifo ede ne court ano na je se so omde de kogina eye court enra court kwotena asem no so ewo eye sunyane District Magistrate Court B na omotena asam no so a na lawyer for ko bonkro e man penimfo so chese ajaje for tena ase tietie nsam no na chese also wura no wo mo ema ne bedie ema beli wo mo ema ne bia wo ma aye ne so don for ya domu a adwada February bosom de to so eyedunsom 17 February once asomra na court no ento so eni nasem emranche bia na eka no ho a wo mo akiri wonum abranche ba ko efe ne se agimandua ousu birum fi se wudi no kura ne nsa so de nam so bae ono no kura de yese biri ne nsa nka bia se ne mo kase aposifo patwene mo twene na court no asa so ahye se honorable Ignatius Bafo awua wo mo emma no be na nsa ne passport ekuta no wonfa emeja court no se beye na enkoba se bia wanya asem no na ofa zane ntrikese kwa bi so na yese wodwane afiro man ni mo enti court ahye se onfa the passport emeto court wo no mo se be na bribia court be fra asem no bebi otebia no wo mo ensa be kanu ma asem ne die akoso na ansa na Ora Ignatius Bafo wa court be man be no na IGP susu tutu America abakumasi abonten so a wode kumasi asante kotokobo boku ne mperimfo aba be hia acheche abusuafo renom na wahye bose fifimu bia wose koso bia ene nhwemu wose koso ne be koso ma de wose mra di no mra ebedi no emfa ho ene dibre ene ne kese a owo ewo omanimu.
This morning for a very important message that can only console but cannot bring back life. Everybody in this world is here for a purpose because every human being's life contributes to the greater good of humanity. And therefore, every life that is taken, it is to the disadvantage of humanity. Because whatever is embedded in that person, we should be of a blessing to others, is cut short. I'm told Yao, the little I've known about him, he says that to an extent, he is part of the soul of the club.
Observant way IGP Dr. George Akufo-Addo Pare America to enra wode ebepie kumasi abonte so ko abusuafo na so ekokro asante kotokobo boku ne mpanimfo na so emankomudi a na wose koso bia no ekoso eno no na kotoko IMC e wo hono mo sesei opani a woda no se chairman nana apenkra kwesi awua wono so ejina boku ne mpanimfo anamo edenkra sei emane IGP ne mpanimfo
Fefe wa so fefe eni ayi nyina no emaye arechichire emaye krashe se motayechi moma asembia enkonko pharmacy na ade ba ko a esi ya medi ho ya okakra eni se nim se o mrantie yi ena mo kire wo mo seni a bebi beka the first call of first aid. And so assembly can see no na officers a wo hokra no emrantie ya supporters hwe owura yi oda fom no office police officer etu hye no ho no gina ho obi kura ba akokura videos ni bi na ba akogina ho no atwe ne kon na hwe de ekoso enso na minim say mo na mo ba as independent here mo be boy.
Observant way IMC chairman de Macrobia Sante Kotokobo Boku no nana apenkra kwesi awua na yetene nke we yamra na IGP ne dom ne mpanimfo akokrobia Sante Kotokobo Boku ne na so a na omokwa akwacheche mpanimfo no re na omato aso akwa abusiafo so na so ene abusia akwa akodi nkomo na apenkra edisansem yeto IGP ne dom animu se na mrantie na gusunyan ene insuatre no ma nyade kra sare husem CEC na ase omasoso adane supporters ni bi na behwade wo mo ejina ho no mo hwe wa bra wo mo ntitiye mu no yede niema pi aboma wo mu a na nkeso betime abamfaso ewo agoprama no so busiafo asemi ye ne edi echi bi frato bia no yemfa enkamemo yento aso na yemfa mo enko ahone ne ho nsensem eja yenka ne yi se begina so se nyina so na empenifo da ECG adwuma na no ewo mfimfi mantem de atogya se de hoso no ye bia edi sikawura ECG adwuma no mfimfi mantem emankane ne gina so kireben se subontem kuku no wono mo ebeyo pani Emmanuel Lumwa oye pani kwanchefo da ECG adwuma no ewo mfimfi mantem ne nsem awode to yeni muni
2024 ECG Central met all the stakeholders, and outcome of that meeting, we installed over 120 transformers, carried out maintenance work on all our figures, as well as extend power supply to some areas that are without electricity. We also replaced 193,000 meters throughout the region. Again, as part of our corporate social responsibility, we installed 30,000 street lights. But the main of the region, that the challenges that we face as a region is people not paying their bills promptly.
Observant way pen power da ECG adwuma no wo mfimfi mantem pani Emmanuel Lumo na yete ne nkenya na ochichirim se light bill de ya na nutua no ɛkyɛdeɛ no nso deɛ ɔsɔ mo yɛ bia ɛma yɛn kanea ne gyina so wɔ mfimfini mantam no wɔn mo ɛbɛyɛ dodo yɛmfa mo nkɔ mmaraspagya fie mu ɛyɛ mmɔnimusɛm sɛ mmaraspagyafoɔ no bi akɔbɔ twɛdeɛ ɛma wi aseɛ no yɛkwasi pɛ no fɛ no sɛ suspension ɔmo de bi ma wo no bɛɛdan ɛma wi aseɛ nnora na sɛ wɔn nsa sɛ yɛka kyɛ wɔ mmaraspagya fie MPP foɔ ɛkɔ adwuma wɔ mmaraspagya fie mu nnora no kɔbene ne birisi a wɔn de kɔsi mmaraspagya fie mu hɔnom no na wɔmfɔ mo bɔ ne nkyɛn ɔmo kora wohwɛ ɔmo anim ɔmo de sisi hɔnom a wode ɔmo bɔ ne bɛkyɛ wo no nam so ma speaker ɛsɛ agyakyɛw pa a ɛnam soro nam wiem nam asase ase aba no na ɔsɛ ɔgyetum na ɔde ɔmo mfomsoɔ ɛfom wo nom na mmara speaker ɛde mmaraspagyafoɔ bɛɛ na yɛ mfomsoɔ ɛkyɛ wo nom no nsɛm a ɔde to dwa ɛni
fallible. So I listened to the apology, and here it was repeated by the minority leader for and on behalf of the members of the caucus and supported by the majority leader. It's not only words. Before me, they demonstrated and assured me of their total support to me and the deputy speakers to ensure that we have an efficient and an effective functioning parliament in Ghana. So I am satisfied with not just the statement, but also their conduct. And I will proceed to lift the suspension of the 4 members of parliament that I considered were involved in disorderly conduct.
Observant to where I am Rasmi, if you me right honorable Alban Kinsford Sumana Babin Yetene can and watch Susuno was also editor so say I dear Hane pass say I say or may mamma for junior almost say I say headmaster bin and quale bin at parliament or man headmaster no as so yen your pen at tintin trintism and a watch as a can be waka. Hey, ubia tunu for was unti, or say some na said the pebino, a keke candefa or no speaker no hono, also near man for a yajun. Yes, bia, or a headmaster, why no hooting trintia, or car on pesu bia bekebi, nan quala no maso ding, as what day for no, na manaquaco basa.
But let me say that I have read some media reports that some members of the House have referred to me as headmaster, treating honorable members like students. I reject that assertion. But I can assure you that when there are students, there must be a headmaster. If you don't have a headmaster, you know what is going to happen in the school. The former Minister of Education is nodding his head. But I'll end by saying this, which is better captured in Latin. It says, qui multum datum. It's very simple. To whom much is given, much is expected.
Observant to where I am Rasmi, if you me right honorable Alban Kinsford Sumana Babin Yetin and Cano, we I am now watching a month for Junior Mose, as or Yadan headmaster be a menitiano, tintin to bois. Kadie what they say and now watch say David Kwalara so day na won't be so years ago abra headmaster in this school na say akwako basa raspeje fiem ho no a raspeje ni owo raspeje fiem a de she wo futu abaton pesia so a edom kuma e wo raspeje fiem otua no say minority leader honorable Alexander Afenyoma Ken so no de atoja say de course no obeje atum say entweyi na wakwakoye pani so no wagemfom so no nyina atum na wahye bose nyade a ebesi.
Today, I, on behalf of my caucus, would want to assure the public that such an action will not be seen in the public space again. Mr. Speaker, I take full responsibility as a leader on my side on all actions that took place. I will therefore conclude by inviting you, Mr. Speaker, to, in the circumstance and with assurances given, to consider a rescission of the decision you communicated to the House, as well as all consequential matters thereto. Mr. Speaker, without more, I shall thank you for hearing me and resume my seat.
Observant to where I am Raspeje or woman Raspeje Fima, this year war a foot about Tom Pessia, so Fifi Mantem, Honorable Alexander Afenyo marking any attending can NPP dom and a dom kumano or no and a year candy for a womanim and a Odessa Semia to Giant to us so yet more air concrete pumpedemantum na sebe yo na when dear Hunson some be quay ne jan and aswintino and I'm suma openia and also about penny and penny for a pound no say on share and crapumpedemantum so say regional minister ma me Linda or Hinewa Aquili Uklu ashe eye anamuntu bi ase e won krapompene mantamu a wo hye ahonedie ho nsensem enra oko la pasa bonten so eko eye kaneshi eko sekrenum eko hwe sene ahonedie ho nsensem esitie ashe bose ne penso sa regional minister de also ye bia se batan na batan wo fia ahonedie ho nsensem de kese eye adutwam no obeye ema nkran aye fe obeye ema ankranfa no ntuma papa afra e wa ahonedie ho nsensem ma me Linda akwele oklunsem eni.
Thank you for coming. Like the PRO said, we've inspected the place and know there are challenges. What we have to do is that we are inviting all the coordinating directors on Thursday, and so that we task them, know the strategies to put in place to improve sanitation within the region. Yesterday, that the issue has been referred to me house. So we partner with the office of the president and get back to you, update you.
Observant to a Greater Accra Regional Minister Mame Linda Akwele Oklu and Yetene. Can then watch the walk connected in Yaba Honorable Teresa Ladi Awunia on so a Rasvigani or woman Rasvigima this year a war or kind queen of a baton persiaso na okanoho na on so a dear futu ekome jedifua a war la pass no persiano so say among Casamo Medija then so udijano now who say bia wotia udi ujano so no a ho a neat a ho fair udi honomuni since ube jangure gu honomosa.
The city must be clean. You and I, including all media men, must help us to do that. Yabe ensure say any omu ayekasa chwe obi o sebi obeye ejuma wi ade bia me catch omu say ehana mudidi. That's why you make your livelihood. And it's a ube have filthy na enunti yebebe bejina so apamo. Na se ugu beguswaya etuf ebaswa I will not be there to shield you. For that I have told them countless number of times. But Samuya Masedia waha no mojuma koswa. When the bebe ham waha.
Observant to a Mrasve Jenny or woman Rasvig Fima this year walk kind queen of Baton Persia so Honorable Teresa Ladi Awuni Yetene Ke Wayamra against the Niaba Greater Accra Regional Minister Mame Linda Kwele Oklu Etumpasa Awan Krapumpedemante Mashese on the Huns and Zembekuyi and Okano no so sregedi for no Samudi Jano na so mo hwese mo bedi ho no muni since de bie nwura na mboje gu ho no mo esa afa yam fa mo nko wie wo North East Mantam ne mo opani a mampani Jodramani mama boni din se won ko hwe North East Mantam ne so ma no sa regional minister yo opani Ibrahim Tia na ono so so ahye adwuma ase na o hye adwuma ase no waka ntema din sia wi abo aguso akota fre na batwe se de o so ye bia e ma North East Mantam ne mo e fa no ntema papa fra no wo be ye abo adodo.
My legacy is going to be jobs, jobs, and jobs. That is it. And the jobs, not only the white-collar job, but agric is my priority. We've got vast arable lands, very fertile lands in the whole of the Northeast region. If you go to the whole enclave of the Mampurugumo-Aduri area, we can produce rice there to feed the whole country and even export. I will encourage our youth to go into farming. That is one aspect. The other aspect is, in my vetting, you heard me mention, if Burkina Faso can produce tomato, why can't we produce tomato in North-East region?
Observant way a penny a washer North-East Mantam no Swadia Mamam Penny, Ura Ibrahim Tia, no was a Jumasia, watch said, you also ye beer, and my mantam no fan into my papa frane boaso, and my ranted baba when you may no, or be ye edited. Observe we general so, none of paying some of your papa, no the Baba Somo, the Monsiania, sorry, I'm on my hinas as well, Baba Transivio, at the Adiachebia Jumedi at Wamoso, and there a Wednesday into Fre, not what Kawasam, or Kawasam Jumedi, so Adiachebia, a Jumedi, so was Sompa FM, and a Sompa television, a son of pay, Kukuani Chinchin Fidini de Mamie, Azuka, a Susune Boyen, at the Echo television, a Sumidin, at the Nana Boa Malibia Bogano, Pesono, Yamamachia, Ebia.
TV, Emma, Akichiapa.
Asane fa wo siemu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techima eno ene ye fe ne sciatica na etimi bubu oto ose ka wo se dwe wo srem wo je wo ba bia enye na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso